afraid though.
You afraid you're gonna be tripping?
I feel like I got too much love to give, and I don't want nobody abusing my love. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't.
Oh,
Everybody can't. Everybody not supposed to have this shit. You
oh,
know what I'm saying? So
I
like,
just want.
chill.
What make your love so special that not to say it's not. I'm saying what make you feel like they gonna like everybody can't have it. What is it that's so
I mean, I understand women. I understand how to treat women. I'm just I don't want to sound like cocky or nothing. I just
you be confident?
yeah, I'm confident. I'm just I'm a well-rounded person and I'm very attentive. I could be selfish sometimes, but
What's your sign?
Leo,
Mm.
only selfish because of me.
Bitches always be like, "What's your sign?" Mm. Don't
Don't
even
don't
know
know nothing.
shit.
Don't know nothing.
Don't know shit. What's your sign? Aquarius. Oh,
What's
okay.
your sign?
I'm an Aries.
Yeah, I had an Aries before. She was a little
Aggressive.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, aggressive and like
That's what I said. See, I learned that about myself though. That's why I lower my tone.
I'm gonna start asking everybody that come on the show what their sign because people when I ask that like people really be in the comments like, oh, Aries gang and Cancer gang. Oh my God, I knew she was.
Aries women are aggressive though, but we're like tomboys and we are very aggressive for our what we want. Like I ain't never been a bum ass Aries bitch.
That's her. That's definitely her.
Yeah. She exactly going after what she want and gonna achieve it and dead spot on. We can't act like niggas though.
She was definitely the homie.
Yeah.
She was the homie before she became my girlfriend.
Yeah. Oh, I think I saw that episode
Yeah.
when we were talking about the friend
Yes.
that you shouldn't have crossed lines with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was so strong.
That's us.
Not saying I got nothing against like Aries, but
What you mean by strong? What she do
um,
strong? Like what made her stronger than? Because I was just somewhere else with a group of guys and they were like, "You're so feminine." And I was like, "Really? Never heard that before."
uh, this is probably like the acting kicked in.
You think I'm feminine too,
I don't get any type of masculinity from you.
or strong? I don't think I'm masculine, but I think
I don't get.
oh okay, maybe that's good. I'm stepping into my femininity
That's a good
because
thing.
I definitely done been the bro.
I could sense that though. Like you just seem like the homie.
Yeah,
That's just the vibe I get from you. You
yeah, for sure.
just be kicking it like a nigga. You know what I'm saying, but
I'm working on being softer.
you should.
I'm
Niggas don't
trying.
like that.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I know. I'm. That's why I'm working on it.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I definitely like my first serious relationship. I used to be like, "Hey,
Hey,
like, hey, you. So you just gonna walk in here and not kiss me? The fuck? Like, you know what I mean? I would talk to a nigga like a nigga.
I don't know. Sometimes it's cool though. Like, I like that shit. Like it's cool when, cause you want your girlfriend to be the homie for real.
Yeah, I
But
would, but then sometimes I think as I got older, I realized like, no, I want to be so, especially when I became more of like a boss woman
hmm
in the world. I hate that word too. I never want to be a boss. I want to be a leader. I
hmm
don't want to be a boss. That's so masculine. That's so hard, and they dehumanize the boss. You know what I mean?
yeah,
So I want to be a leader, but when I come home, I don't want to be that. I want to be soft. So I'm learning how to be soft naturally. So when I do meet the next man, he doesn't take me as, well, you so strong. I didn't think you needed shit.
you know, I used to tell my girlfriend that my ex. She was like, "I'm not strong."
I'm not strong. I'm just, what else am I gonna do? Sit in the corner and cry like a little bitty bitch?
But
Like,
on the exterior though, she would be like this tough ass chick. Like
we gotta work on that.
she'd be the toughest chick and be crying to me and shit. Like what the,
Yeah, and
pick one.
that's what my ex felt. Like I didn't think you needed anything because you got it all together. And it's like I'm holding it all together by a
Yeah,
fucking thread because no one's come to help me.
Hmm,
Aries women, we gotta be soft.
I do. What do you think about soft men?
Mm. I think it's okay. I think there is times where it's okay to be soft. I think both men and women, we have it should be times where we are able to be soft and vulnerable. But I can't take no man who can't roll up his sleeves, get shit done,
Mhm.
or you too pretty, you can't get your shoes dirty and shit. Cause I'm a tougher girl, so it's like I got skint elbows right now. You know what I mean? Of some bullshit. So I can't have I don't want to feel like, man, and I was raised by lesbians, so I don't want to be like, man, my mama tougher than you. Pussy ass nigga.
Puss ass nigga. That's that Atlanta shit. Puss ass nigga.
That's some real little shit. If I feel like no, I can't feel like pussy ass nigga, but it's okay for my man to cry.
Mhm.
It's okay for my man to be vulnerable. In an intimate setting, we talking about our feelings. It's okay for him to let me know that hurt my feelings or I'm not okay. I think that's cool. That's human. You're human. But when some shit need to be done, I don't want to hear shit about you can't get your shoes dirty and shit.
Mhm.
Man, fuck all that. Cause that's when I turn into a hood nigga.
Mhm. If a nigga if you were out with your man and a nigga called you a bitch, what would you expect your man to do?
Who called me a bitch? My man?
Nah.
I don't know. He's supposed to be like, who the fuck is you talking to?
Mhm.
Hey man, or even not even like that. You can address the man and correct the man as a gentleman. You like, that's my lady. You don't, who is you? You gonna respect her.
Mhm.
Now apologize. Like you can do it that way. Or you can be like, hey, folk, who the fuck is you talking to like that, bruh? Either one cool with me. Long as that nigga getting checked.
Yeah, for sure.
As long as that nigga know that shit is not okay. I don't care how you do it. You'll be like, bruh, I got that heat on me, bro. I don't know where the fuck I'm from, shawty.
Man, you're a character. You funny as fuck.
Cause that's real shit. How I'ma cause I'm gonna be like, who the fuck is you? I need him to be like, babe, I got this.
Mhm.
Who the fuck is you talking to? Or you could be like, that's not how you talk to her. This is a grown woman right here. This is my lady. You're not finna address her as that.
Mhm.
She ain't do nothing because I'm not gonna never disrespect nobody for them to just call me a bitch.
Mhm. I had to learn that. When I was a little kid, when I was like 13, I didn't know what to do in them situations. And one time I just bitched out and I was like, Brian, let that shit happen again. I was ready to kill a nigga next time. But as I got older, it was like, okay, it's different ways to handle
It's
situations like
different
that.
ways to handle it.
You ain't just always got to prove yourself to your girl because you really just proving yourself to your girl. Like, I ain't no bitch. So I'm gonna do whatever it takes. Whatever that I might crash out, I might shoot this nigga, whatever it might take to show you
And
like,
see, as a woman, I don't want my man to be put in that position where he's putting us in danger
yeah,
or himself in harm's way of
yeah.
possibly taking the shit too far or going to prison or going to jail. That's why I'm like, you could correct him in a different way,
Mm-hmm.
but he definitely needs to be corrected because now he think he can try me and you.
Mm-hmm.
He think you a pussy ass nigga for real. Like I just called you a bitch in front of your man. Your man ain't say shit.
Mm.
They definitely finna try him. They gonna rob you, nigga. As soon as I'm not around, they gonna think I'm the man. They gonna rob this nigga as soon as I leave and go in the gas station. So I think that it's important for you to let them know that we are not to be played with.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a way to do it, and I never want you to be put in harm's way or end up going to jail behind some stupid shit.
Because once you go to jail,
At least try so I could be like, no, babe, fuck him. Come on, fuck
all
that.
right, you got it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
See you next
yeah,
time, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
Make me feel safe.
Save me, baby. Please.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm. Yeah, I ain't crashing out for no
Yeah, don't crash out.
crashing out.
A real woman ain't gonna want you to crash out. Not over no
Nah,
burner.
I didn't heard different opinions on this. Maybe you don't slap the hell out that nigga. Or you better shoot like I done heard some crazy shit like
Shoot this nigga. It's words. You done been called a bitch before?
every day by your homegirl.
Hi, bitch.
Just a word.
Yeah, it's just a word. Nah, I don't want you to crash out over it. No, for sure. But I definitely do want you to like stand up for me. I want to feel safe.
For sure.
I think that's important. And I think men need to know that it's more than physical ways of making a woman feel safe.
How so?
You can make me feel emotionally safe to share my emotions and things that I feel. Like if I tell you how I feel and you aren't listening or you tell me I'm tripping, even if it ain't got nothing to do with you.
Right.
You just dismiss my feelings. I don't feel safe sharing my feelings with you.
Mm,
Um, there's intimacy, sexually safe. I want to be able to try things with you, but if you like dominating the bedroom and only give a fuck about you, I don't feel safe enough to be open and vulnerable with you.
mhm,
Like safe means be creating the right atmosphere for things to exist, whether you agree with them or not.
mhm.
I think that's when the emotional safety comes in. Like you might not agree with my perspective on this, or you might not agree with, even if it's a say we get into it in a relationship, you might not agree with my take on it, but to just dismiss me and tell me I'm tripping, I'm not safe to express myself with you because you're going to dismiss me. Women need safety in not just physical ways, but emotionally, sexually, physically,
Mentally.
mentally.
I think that's why I'm like the perfect nigga, cause I just I'm just I just pay attention, you know, like
You pay attention.
hell yeah.